Hi, welcome to my channel Divya Crochet World. Today we are going to learn about how to crochet a loop daisy. Initially, take a yellow yarn and make a magic ring. Into the magic ring, you need to insert 8 single crochets. First single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single crochets into the magic ring. Pull the loop to close the magic ring. Do a slip stitch into the second of the second chain to close the ring. Next, we'll move to the round 2. In round 2, we need to do 9 single crochets into each individual chain. Place a stitch marker to identify the row completion. Second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, sixth single crochet, 7, 8 and 9 single crochet, and cut the yarn and attach a new color yarn for petals. In round 3, we need to do chain 2. 1 chain, 2 chain, and you need to count these 2 chains as 1 single crochet, and you need to do 1 single crochet into the same place where you inserted the new yarn color, and go into the same loop and do a single crochet, and into the next stitch do 2 single crochets, or single crochet, and go into the same loop and do another single crochet. You need to do, in each stitch you need to do 2 single crochets. Totally you'll have 18 single crochets. You need to insert 2 single crochets in each stitch. And at the final, you need to do a slip stitch to complete the round. 3, For round 4, you need to do 10 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 chain. And you need to move to the next single crochet in the row and need to do a slip stitch. Again you need to do 10 chain. And go into the next loop and do a slip stitch. In this way you need to do till the end. You need to do a 10 chain and next in the slip stitch with the next in the next single crochet. Like this you need to do 18 times till the end. 10 chain and do a slip stitch, the next single crochet. Again do a 10 chain and do a slip stitch in the next single crochet. Again 10 chain and do a slip stitch, the next chain. You repeat this process till the end and form all the petals by following row 4 pattern. Again do 10 chain and do a slip stitch. Chain and a slip stitch. Do a 10 chain and a slip stitch. Chain and do a slip stitch, the next single crochet stitch. Slip stitch. And a slip stitch. 10 chain the slip stitch. Slip 10 chain and a slip stitch. Chain and do a slip stitch in the last chain and cut the yarn and sew the leftover yarn tail. Cut the remaining yarn tails loop daisy is completed. You can use this for decorating in a different way in your bags and everything. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.